On social media, Omar called Kirk a stochastic terrorist and accused Democrats and celebrities of normalizing his legacy. Republican Representative Nancy Mace introduced a resolution to censure Omar for celebrating murder. The motion narrowly failed after 4 Republicans joined Democrats in voting it down last week. Omar also faced criticism from outside politics, with golfer Phil Mickelson writing on X, "Ilhan spews hate every time she opens her mouth. She came here fraudulently and will hopefully be sent back to Somalia soon."
Last week in the Oval Office, I asked you about if Ilhan Omar should be censored. Congress censored